What's up everyone? Chris Osberg, Winding Road here. I'm here with the 2020 Ford Mustang GT500, inspired by Shelby, of course. This thing is absolutely amazing. We're up over 700 horsepower. This is the most powerful road-going car Ford has ever produced. That comes via a 5.2 liter V8 based on the architecture from the GT350, but now with a big old TVS supercharger on it. That brings you up over 700 horsepower. Behind that, we have an all-new design just for this car, Tremec 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. So the advantage of that is very quick shift times, under 100 milliseconds. And it goes to show you that this car is not designed just to be a drag strip queen. It's really an all-around performance car. It's gonna have great road course performance. Come take a look at these carbon fiber wheels. These are absolutely amazing. The reduction in weight and unsprung mass from these wheels are definitely going to improve the handling of this vehicle, and it shows that it's really not just a one-trick pony. This thing is going to be a great handling car on the track. We've got a whole new aerodynamics package on the car, from the side skirts to the front splitter to the carbon fiber rear wing. Ford Performance has really done a great job in this car, and everything on here is with a purpose. You're not going to see any fake vents or anything on this car. We've got heat extractors up in the front to help get some of the heat out from that 5.2 liter supercharged engine. As with any other performance Mustang, we've got a great interior, performance oriented. We've got the Recaro seats with the Shelby Snake logo on it. We've got a really nice flat bottom steering wheel. Very cool LCD cluster. You can see it's got a 7,200 RPM red line. This engine's really going to rev out. This thing's going to be an absolute monster on the track. Chris and I can't wait to get our hands on it. Nice view of the compact dual clutch transmission specific to this new car. Yeah. I'll get the other side.
Cool. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Here we go. Got a nice Alcantara steering wheel. Very close shift paddles at hand here. Very good performance-minded interior. The ergonomics seem quite good. And good visibility up over the hood, even with that big bulge in the center for the supercharger and heat extractor.
Cool, I just not like I got hands.
I think I've killed it. It doesn't want to bring us the cluster back.
It's interesting, you've got a rotary shifter selector.
Yeah, straight out of your Fusion.
No back seats?
Kids not allowed.
Makes for a good shelf though.